If you guys have been following my channel, you know I've been stripping the paint off my car. It's a 71 Corvette. And I've spent hours and hours stripping this, trying different strippers. I tried Aircraft Ultra, and I tried this other stuff. It's made for stripping fiberglass. And it works, but it's very messy, very time consuming, and it just doesn't work very good. And I've seen videos where guys take razor blades and scrape the old paint off. And I tried it on this car. I tried it back here on the back, and I could not get it to work. I don't know what I was doing wrong. I've got it's from Snap-on. It's got a little spring clip on the end that holds a razor blade, and it's a scraper. And that's what I was trying to use. It just wouldn't work. And I bought this, let me show you up here. I bought this Icon scraper from Harbor Freight, and my only complaint on it, this clamp plate that holds the blade in is a little weak, and it bends really easy when you tighten the screw down, so I put this heavier plate on top of it to help clamp the blade. And so yesterday I came out here and I thought, well, I'm going to try it again with this. And I scraped all this off in about 15 minutes. I mean, you wouldn't believe how easy this paint comes off. I kicked myself for not trying this sooner, but let me show you how it works. You just put the blade down like that, and look at that. This hasn't been prepped or anything. I haven't put any stripper on it. And the nice thing, it strips it down to the primer, which I'm going to sand that off, but it kind of, I mean, it won't hardly cut into the primer. I don't understand the difference between primer and paint, but it's going to make it easy so I don't damage the fiberglass. And look at that. Some of that paint comes off in big chunks. I'm not sure they sanded this correctly. It looks too smooth to me. And sometimes, like there, I just broke my blade when it caught on that. I was taking too much of a cut, but you can keep scraping. I still can't believe how easy that works. I'm not putting any pressure on this blade at all, really. I mean, I'm hardly even pushing on it, and it goes right through it. And I'm thinking, and see how nice and smooth that is? When you look over here, and I've already sanded some of this, but places where I haven't sanded yet, you know, you can kind of see how it's gouged up, that primer gouged into, they actually had a little bit of a feather coating of Bondo, it looks like, on here. I can't get over this. It just blows my mind it comes off that easy. And I think, I gotta change my blade. I finally broke it again. I think if I would have done this when I first started on this car, I would have everything stripped by now. The doors, the hood, the T-tops, everything at the rate this is coming off. I want to kick myself. So anyway, that's something to think about next time you're stripping a car. Try the razor blade trick first. I'm not going to say it'll work for everything, but it sure is taking the paint off this car easy. So have a great day. We'll see you on the next video.